Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Adventures with Kramer. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6 in 44mm space gray with an aluminum frame. Normally I use my Garmin Fenix 5 Plus titanium watch, and it does a great watch, but there's some features on the Apple Watch Series 6 that I really like, and so let's get to the unboxing and check it out. Okay, here we go. So a nice box that we have here. Looks like we have just a little pull tab. Try checking that out here. Nice. Set that over there. So I did cover up serial number stuff, but from what I can tell, pull up on these tabs here. Some fancy packaging. So as you can see, it is the Series 6 space gray aluminum case with the black sports band and 44mm. So cool looking packaging there. Obviously got the watch right inside there. Let's see what we have here. Just a basic kind of quick start guide. Looks like to be able to how to put the bands on. Press and hold on the side there. Magnetically charging. Swipe on the watch faces. Cool. Let's check that out a little bit more here. Charging case. Looks like a decent sized cord here. Just over 3 feet. Let's go ahead and set some of this stuff to the side. So, charging cable right there, and then the watch bands. It looks like that's everything. So I'll save this for last. Let's see what we got here. Little pull tab. Some little guides to be able to help actually slide and attach on there. Push in, and the band goes up underneath. Nice to be able to help kind of keep it out of the way. Times I wish I had that on my Garmin watch. 2 different sizes. So let's go for the medium to large one here. Take that there. Set this stuff back inside the box. There you go. Slide this up and out. Or shove it out. There we go. Help protect this underneath you. I already hit the power button on there. Didn't even realize it. Nice size face. What's that look like in comparison? Imagine if it was rounded all the way out. Definitely a little bit bigger than my Garmin watch here. Wow, I can't even read that even at a super steep angle like that. I have to look pretty right on. Look at a little bit of an angle. My Garmin watch. Okay. What do we have on the back side here? Series 6, 44 aluminum and ceramic case. Ion X glass. GPS, water resistant to 50 meters, and just Apple Watch. Lots of sensors on the bottom there. Cool. Well, let's go ahead and get this thing charged up and see where it kind of goes from there. I'm assuming that little bit of a dip right there. Oh yeah. I'll connect it up to my watch here in a second. Let's see, which way am I used to setting and putting the buckle on. Say from the bottom side, like this here. Double check something real quick though. So then the little push button type piece here, I'm assuming then that fits. It's on the underside. So let's go ahead and slide that over. Oh yeah, clicks right there into place. Do the same thing for the bottom one. Oh, I see. There's another little push button there so you can swap it out nice and easy. Alright. It's easy enough. And then I'll try and get this paired up to my phone. Liking it so far. I like the color. Size seems nice. Definitely lighter than the Garmin watch, which I like. So we've got my cell phone here. Let's try and take a peek, see what we got going. I just literally had to bring it right here next to it in order to be able to try to get it set up. Set this up for myself. Put on your Apple Watch and hold the camera. Well, I'm not going to hold on to it right now, but it's paired. Sweet. That's pretty cool. Some fancy stuff happening on the watch. Set that up. It's going to be my left wrist. No idea what it's doing. It just says connecting to your watch. That's special. I did buy a screen protector, so I will be putting that on there. Just try and help protect it. Keep that front screen. Yay, terms and conditions that you can't do anything about because you've already bought it and no store will take it back once you've opened the box. But they already give you those terms and conditions right now. Has anybody got any good accessories that they've had with their Apple Watch that work out really nice? The screen protector that I ended up getting has like a tempered glass on top, and then it's like a plastic like black towards the outer ring on there. I've seen some of the plastic film ones, but we have here route tracking. Apple Watch workouts use your location to track routes and local weather for outdoor workouts. Give that a shot. Okay. It is super big font. Can read it just fine on the smaller. I'll do one size up. How about that? I like it unbolded. Oh. Set up a passcode. It's done now. Activity. So let's see here. We have daily move goal. Doing a bunch of exercising, so I'll set that to at least moderately, I guess. I set what's highly, moderately. Let's try moderately, see how that works out. Set that as a move goal, daily exercise goal, 30 minutes a day. Doing well over that, so let's try for at least 45 minutes. I know I've been doing at least an hour, so that's it to an hour. Stand goal 10 hours, blood oxygen. Yep. Yes, keep it up to date. Well, I got that set up for the Apple Pay, but didn't want to show that. So we have emergency SOS. You can press and hold the side button to call emergency services. Fall detection. Okay. Change clock faces to personalize. I'm going to choose those different apps later. I'm not sure which ones are there or not. And starting to sync. Okay. It's been like 5 minutes. Just still waiting for it to do whatever it's doing for syncing. It's almost done. It's like right there at the very top. If I had to guess a percentage, I would say it's at like 93%. Well, hope you enjoyed that video. I'm gonna be sitting and trying to do a bunch of different exercises. Well, just my normal exercise routine. Like doing the push-ups, sit-ups, squats, pull-ups, and then the kind of jogging and walking, and see how the Apple Watch holds up. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button for me, comment down below, please. Peace.